Today I'm looking at set number 31041, the construction vehicles. This is a adorable little, what are they called? Backhoes. Backhoe loaders. That's what it is. It's a backhoe loader, and I love it. It's just a quirky little, adorable, tiny little set that we have. It comes with its own dirt that it can pick up, with the loader in the front and the backhoe, scooper in the back, and it moves around. It's just a well built, adorable little set. So I'm going to say that it's, for the cuteness factor, it's going to get 3 stingrays.